Hi, Bhumi. Thank you so much for joining us.
Hi,
Um,
Devanshi. Thank you.
yeah, so Durga Mati is finally releasing on December 11th. What is it about this film that made you say yes to the script when you saw it first?
I can't really pick one, so I'll give you a whole list of things that really excited me about Durgamati. I
Mhm.
think for starters, just the character. This film gave me an opportunity to really show a side of mine that my audiences had not seen yet. It's a genre that I haven't really done before. Horror, conspiracy thriller, it's a psychological thriller. So it's a
Mhm.
genre that I really wanted to do. And apart from the fact the film gives the lead actor a large canvas to really experiment, to really kind of, test their boundaries, and really a great opportunity to give a performance of a lifetime. um, I really enjoyed the script. I had seen the original. I'd seen the original before Durgamati happened to me. I didn't know that, I'll end up doing the remake, and I really
Mhm.
enjoyed the original. And the only thought that I had in my mind even then was that, oh my God, this is such a great opportunity for any actor, irrespective of their gender, right? And that's why when the film came my way, I literally jumped at the opportunity.
Right. So, like you just said, that it's a remake. We all know it's a remake of Bhagmati. The
Yeah.
film itself, it was quite successful. So, you knew from the start that expectations would be, riding high. So,
Oh, of course.
did you prepare for the role in a certain special way? Were there any special measures you took? Anything?
Oh yeah, I feel usually the characters that I do, they're driven on the dialect, the milieu. I think why Durgamati is kind of different is because my character Chanchal Chauhan, she's a government official. She's an IAS officer who's serving time on the charges of murder. So just to kind of get into her psyche, how does a person who served jail time on such a huge criminal offense think? And then she's bought into this old ancient space, right? Like into this
Yeah.
haveli,
Mm.
this property to be questioned. So the preparation was more about the psyche of the character, right? And also physically, more when I was doing Durgamati's parts, because I wanted to look physically kind of different than Chanchal Chauhan when I was doing Durgamati. Um, but I think where those parts of the film are concerned, I think just physically to be able to put in that strength and that energy, and to be that high on drama, there was a lot of for that period I went through some intense physical training, right, where I was like
Right.
cycling for 20-25 kilometers every day.
So,
There was a lot of strength training that I was doing, and
mhm.
even between takes, like, just to get that adrenaline rush and that
Yeah.
pump, I would like the exercising. I've never done that for any film. And so, yeah, I think that was pretty much the preparation. But horror as a genre is such that you can't really prepare much because,
Indeed.
you're reacting to things that you can't really see or feel.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure. So, talking about horror as a genre, I personally love the genre. And, it's being Durga Mati is a horror thriller as we hear it. So,
Yes.
are we in for some chills? Can we expect
I
to be
hope
scared?
I really hope that we manage to scare people. But see, it
Yeah.
primarily is a conspiracy thriller, right? So
Mm.
we have our jump scares, but it's a psychological, intelligent film.
Right.
There are aspects of horror in it, but I think they are quite strong. So I don't want to say much. You tell me
Mhm.
after you watch the film. I hope you get scared.
Sure, even I hope the same, trust me. So, well, we saw the trailer, and your avatar was quite different towards the end when you're in you take on as Durga Mati and everything. This character is quite different from the ones that you've played before. We saw you in Dam Laga Ke Hai Shad and a couple of other films. What would you say about that? How does this character of yours sets itself apart from? It's like in one film you just said that you're going through transformation for two different characters. So what are the major differences that you felt?
I think for starters, I've never really done a film, which had such high drama scenes, right?
Right.
Usually my performances are very controlled. My films are films where I make people laugh or I make them cry. I've never really tried to, I've never really instilled the fear of what I'm doing in my audience. So
Yeah.
I feel just like, and that's again, that's the reason I did Durgamati, because I had this chance to do something that I've not done in the past. It's
Mhm.
really the tone of the film is very out there. I've not really been, I don't think over the top is the right thing, because people usually take it in a very negative way. But if you see what the word actually means, it is a little high on energy. The film is supreme, and it's my probably one of my most massy films that I've done so far.
Right, right. So, you just also said that horror is definitely it's a different genre. I would call it a difficult space to be in because it's not easy to scare people. And saying that the film is more of a psychological conspiracy. So, do you think that it's the psychological element that would be able to scare people in a way? Because the things that appeal to our mind, we are usually more affected by that.
I know I don't want to take away from any aspect of the film by, just saying that there's only that one thing that's gonna,
Hmm.
leave the audience with a huge impact. I think
Hmm.
the film has many elements, and I just
Right.
hope that everything comes together. And I think it has. And I really hope that, together, the overall, holistically, the film has a huge impact on people. So, be it the horror thriller bits, be it the psychological thriller bits, be it the conspiracy bits, I think everything will work and everything should work for the film to work.
Yeah, true. So, is there any scene in particular that was a bit difficult, a bit challenging to shoot, and something you remember?
My God, what are you saying? Any scene, Devanshi? The whole film is very difficult. I've not done such tough films in my life. Okay, I usually do tough films. I don't think
Yeah,
anybody can ever say कि अरे मतलब मेहनत नहीं गई है भूमि की किसी फिल्म में, right? मेरी
बट
फिल्म
वो
में
तो दिखते हैं.
इसमें उससे भी ज्यादा मेहनत थी.
Okay.
जो मेहनत में करती हूँ, because I'm not joking. There were days where like my team literally had to pick me up after pack up and take me like into my room because I was so tired. Because imagine that there's a lot of screaming, there's a lot of energy that you
Hmm.
exuberate, and there's a lot of physical and mental strength that goes into every scene, and every scene is very high pitched. But obviously,
Hmm.
for the sake of the dramatics of it, all the Durgamati scenes are very, very exciting.
Right. So, from we have seen you act with a number of actors from Ayushmann Khurrana to Akshay Kumar, and we've seen you with a number of co-stars, right? But this is the first time that you're basically the captain
Yeah.
of the ship, right? So,
Yeah.
what would you say about that?
बहुत मजा आ रहा है. It's also I'm also very nervous because I don't have anybody to share the pressure with. But I also feel that Durgamatis happen at a point where I'm ready to take on this pressure, and I see it
Mm.
as a very big compliment that people like Akshay sir or everybody at T Series, at Abundancia, or my director, they think I'm capable of shouldering the film. So I think it's definitely a step up for me, right? Every performer does look for that solo film of theirs, and I'm glad Durgamati was my first.
Right. So you're glad that it was your first, right?
100%, yeah. Matlab, I've really given my heart and soul to this film, and
Hmm.
I have done whatever I felt was right for my character, right?
Right.
And even with the names that are involved, the conviction that everybody had on the film, it really
Yeah.
makes it better and easier.
Right. Right. So it's a horror film releasing on OTT. Do you think its effect will be changed, like if it were to release in theaters or something like that?
I don't know, I don't know because I have watched a couple of like horror and action films over the last few months, and
Yeah.
I really enjoyed them. I think पहले हमें लगता था कि यार वो कैसे वो larger than life experience हम घर बैठे नहीं कर सकते.
Right.
Obviously, it can't be the same, but having said that, it's not like you can't enjoy it. You can still
Mhm.
enjoy the experience. It's a different experience. Obviously, theater में community viewing होती है, तो आप को मतलब आप एक दूसरे से एनर्जी लेते हो, हंसते हैं तो सब हंसते हैं, डरते हैं तो सब
हाँ,
डरते हैं. बट आई
right.
थिंक मजा तो दोनों में ही आएगा, सो इट्स नॉट लाइक यू it has to be either or.
So from Dam Laga Ke Haisha to now Durgamati, your journey, what would you say about your journey in Bollywood? It has been quite varied, I would say. You've tried different kind of roles.
100%,
So,
and I feel full of gratitude and extremely lucky because I'm a product of my film choices, right? I don't necessarily have like a machinery working behind me,
yeah,
or
yeah.
like, people that are like going that extra mile to make sure that, good things happen to me. And I'm super proud of it. I'm very happy that I'm here because of my craft, and I can proudly say that I'm a self made person. It's not my journey alone. Everybody who has worked with me, it's their journey as well. Every family member, every friend, every technician that I worked with, it was their conviction because of which I am here. So I would not change a single thing about my filmography.
That's lovely to hear. Well, that brings us to my last question. Which is the one film that you wish you had been a part of
I think
personally?
it has to be Gully Boy because I just thoroughly enjoyed the film, and I would have loved to do Ranveer's part.
Ranveer's part. All right. So we can hear you rapping sometime in the future if you
I
get the
wish.
chance.
Why not? Why can't women rap?
Definitely they can. Definitely they can.
Exactly.
All right, Bhumi. Thank you so much for joining us. All the very best for the release,
Thank
and we are
you.
looking
Thank
forward
you.
to the.
Thank you.